Hello friends, in our Believe It channel, we are going to see the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. The tower was constructed from 1887 to 1889 as the entrance to the 1889 World's Fair. It was initially criticized by some of the France's leading artists and intellectuals for its design. But it has become a global cultural icon of France and one of the most recognizable structures in the world. Prior to the Eiffel Tower's construction, no structure had ever been constructed to a height of 300 meters. And many people believed it was impossible. These objections were an expression of a long-standing debate in France about the relationship between architecture and engineering. Gustave Eiffel responded to these criticisms by comparing his tower to the Egyptian pyramids. He said, "My tower will be the tallest edifice ever erected by man. Will it not also be a grandiose in its way? And why would something admirable in Egypt become hideous and ridiculous in Paris?" The tower is a wrought iron lattice tower on the Champ de Mars in Paris, France. It is named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built the tower. The Eiffel Tower is the most visited paid monument in the world. 6.91 million people ascended the Eiffel Tower in 2015. The tower is 324 meters tall, above the same height as an 81-story building, and the tallest structure in Paris. The tower has 3 levels for visitors with restaurants on the first and second levels. More than 250 million people have visited this tower since it was completed in 1889. An average of 25,000 people ascend the tower every day, which can result in long queues. The top level's upper platform is 276 meters, that is 906 feet above the ground. The highest observation deck accessible to the public in the European Union. Due to the addition of a broadcasting aerial at the top of the tower in 1957, it is now taller than the Chrysler Building by 5.2 meters. Maintenance of the tower includes applying 60 tons of paint every 7 years to prevent it from rusting. The tower has been completely repainted at least 19 times since it was built. Eiffel had a permit for the tower to stand for 20 years. It was to be dismantled in 1909 when its ownership would revert to the city of Paris. But as the tower proved to be valuable for communication purposes, it was allowed to remain after the expiry of the permit. Please like our Believe It channel, subscribe and press the bell icon just to see the important places and events in England and abroad. By getting video notifications regularly, constructing lift to reach the first level was relatively straightforward. The legs were wide enough at the bottom and so nearly straight that they could contain a straight track. The main structural work was completed at the end of March 1889. And on March 31st, Eiffel celebrated by leading a group of government officials, accompanied by representatives of the press, to the top of the tower. Gustave Eiffel made use of his apartment at the top of the tower to carry out meteorological observations, and also used the tower to perform experiments on the action of air resistance on falling bodies. Visiting this tower and enjoy the lift to climb up to the second level at least once in a lifetime is a worth. Thanks for watching this video.